Now, problem number 6, simplest form. Tan inverse of 1 by root x square minus 1 put x is equal to secant theta. Why? Because we have the second identity, trigonometric basic second identity, secant and tan relation is that. So, taking secant theta. Tan inverse of 1 by square root of secant square theta minus 1. Tan inverse of 1 by square root of secant square theta minus 1. Trigonometric second identity, tan square theta, square root get cancelled. Tan inverse of 1 by tan theta. Tan inverse of 1 by tan. 1 by tan is cot theta. Cot theta. So tan inverse, tan is here, it will cancel, but it is cot is there. Convert into tan. Tan of pi by 2 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta. First quadrant, cot theta will get. Pi by 2 minus theta. What is the theta value? Theta value is secant inverse x. Secant inverse x. Next, problem number 7. Tan inverse of square root of, we discussed already formula 1 minus cos x is 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. X is less than 5, that's one is right. Here, 2 gets cancelled. Tan inverse of square root. This one, sin square x by 2 by cos square x by 2. Tan square x by 2. Square root gets cancelled. Tan inverse of tan x by 2. Tan inverse tan x by 2 is the answer. Next, problem number 8. Tan inverse of cos x. Cos x take common here. Cos x if you are take common 1 minus sin x divided by cos x whole divided by cos x again taking common 1 plus here cos x not there sin x by cos x will cos x get cancelled, that is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. So here I am writing this one as a 1 into tan x is tan x. Now you see is in the form of tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus x into y. So what is the formula? Tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. That is equal to tan inverse of tan 45 is 1, tan pi by 4 minus tan inverse of tan x pi by 4 minus x. This is the simplest form. Now, problem number 9. Write simplest form. Put x is equal to a sin theta. Why? Because 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus cos square theta, first trigonometric identity. So that's why x is equal to a sin theta substitution between tan inverse of a sin theta divided by square root of a square minus x plus a sin theta. So a square sin square theta. Tan inverse of a sin theta divided by square root of square is the a square take common. 1 minus I square theta. That is equal to tan inverse of a sin theta divided by a square outside square root cancel square root of this value is cos square theta. First trigonometric identity square root get cancelled, a get cancelled, tan inverse of sin theta by cos theta, that is tan theta equal to theta. Theta value is also right here. Theta value purpose and first downside x by a is equal to sin theta. Theta is equal to sin inverse of x by a. Sin inverse of x by a. Next one, problem number 10. Write the simplest form. Here you see a square is there. Here x cube is there. Here a substitute means you will get a cube. Here also a cube will get full. X is equal to a tan theta. Tan inverse is there. So tan theta substitution next. This implies theta first one and following here. Tan theta is equal to x by a. Theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a. Tan theta, tan in that side will become tan. Now substitute here tan inverse of 3 a square a tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta divided by a cube as it is minus 3a x square. X square is nothing but a square tan square theta, that is equal to tan inverse of multiply 3a cube tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta divided by a cube minus 3a cube tan square theta. Just multiply next. Now common value is a cube. A cube if we are taking common 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by a cube common 1 minus 3 tan square theta. A cube gets cancelled. That is equal to tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This is the tan 3 theta formula. So it is 3 theta. Theta value is tan inverse of x by a. Tan inverse of x by a. Find the values of following problems. Problem number 11. Tan inverse of, one problem is that tan inverse of 2 cos x into 2 sin inverse of 1 by 2. Just here, in place of that number, values we also write. Sin inverse of, when sin is 1 by 2, sin 30, that is nothing but 5 by 6 is 1 by 2. Next, tan inverse of 2 cos x to 2 sin inverse, this 2 cancel. So what you get here? Into 5 by 6. 2 1 the 2 3 the cancel. Tan inverse of 2 cos 5 by 3. 2 cos 5 by 3. 5 by 3 is nothing but 60. Cos 60 is tan inverse of 2 into 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cancel. Tan inverse of 1. 1 is nothing but tan 5 by 4. Tan 5 by 4. Tan inverse tan cancel. 5 by 4 is the value. Next, tan cot of tan inverse a plus cot inverse A is, we have one formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse cot inverse x is equal to 5. Here also same to same, cot of tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. Form is that, so it is 5/2. Cot 90 is 0. Cot 90 is 0. Problem number 13. Tan of 1/2. This value is, I am writing here two formulas. 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Just the substitution. Tan 1/2 of, here 2 tan inverse x plus 2 tan inverse, here x is the x0, here y is the tan inverse 1. That is equal to tan 1/2 into 2 take the common, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. 2 get cancelled. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Both cancel. X plus y by 1 minus xy. Pause the video. Problem number 14. Sin inverse 1/5 cos inverse x is equal to 1. Find the x value. Sin can describe sin inverse of 1/5 plus cos inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 1. Sin inverse of 1. Sin inverse 1/5 plus cos inverse x is equal to sin inverse of, this is sin pi/2 value. Sin pi/2 is 1. So cancel. Sin inverse of 1/5 plus cos inverse of x is equal to pi/2. We have one formula, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi/2. Both same is there, it is pi/2. So compulsory pi/2 is there, therefore x is equal to 1/5. Compare with this one, just x is 1/5. Next, problem number 15. Tan inverse of x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus tan inverse of x plus 1 by x plus 2 equal to 5/4. Find the x value. Just here I will use the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Formula is tan inverse of x plus y. What is x here? This is the x. Plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Equal to 5/4. Now tan inverse send that side. Take the LCM. X minus 2 into x plus 2 is the LCM. Cross multiply. Here you multiply. Plus x plus 1 into x minus 2 equal to tan 5/4 whole divided by, here also take the LCM, x minus 2 into x plus 2, x minus 2, 1 into this value, x plus 2 minus x minus 1 into x plus 1. These two get cancelled. That is the implied. Multiply this. X into x square, x into 2, 2x, minus 1 into x, minus x, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, plus x into x, x square, minus 2x, plus x, minus 2, whole whole divided by, this is a plus b into a minus b formula. A square minus b square. A square minus b square minus of x square minus 1 square. Why? Because same formula. Here plus 2x minus x plus x cancel equal to tan pi by 4 is 1. Now x square 2x square minus 2 minus 4 divided by x square minus 4, this multiplies inside, minus x square plus 1 is equal to 1. Cancel. 2x square minus 4 by minus 3 is equal to 1. 2x square minus 4 is equal to minus 3 if we are sending that. Next step, 2x square is equal to 4 plus 3. Sorry, 4 minus 3. That is equal to 1. X square is equal to 1 by 2. X square is equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. Pause the video for a moment. Next, find the values of each of the expressions. Problem number 16. Sin inverse of sin 2 pi by 3. Lot of numbers here. Mistake value. Sin inverse sin get cancelled. 2 pi by 3 is gone. So first we have to check it belongs to principal branch range or not. So I write this as a 180. 2 pi is 1. 5 is 180. Cancel. 120. 120 getting 2 pi by 3 means 120. Does not belong to range of sin inverse. So we can't make the cancellation. For that purpose, 2 pi, one shortcut is divided by this 3. 3 into pi is 3 pi. Subtraction makes minus pi unit. So we can write here sin inverse of sin, like this you have to follow. 5 minus pi by 3. 5 minus 5 by 3. 5 minus 5 by 3 pi minus 5. 2 pi by 3. Same answer. Now, sin inverse of sin 180 minus theta. Sin 180 minus theta is cos theta. Sorry, sin theta. Now, 5 by 3. 5 by 3 is 60. 60 is belongs to closed interval 5 by 2 comma 5 by 2. So now it cancels. 5 by 3 is the answer. Next, problem number 17. Tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4. Tan 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 means what? 3 into 180 by 4. 4 the 16. 4 5 the 3 5 the 15. 3 4 the 12, 135. 135. It is does not belong to open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Range of tan inverse x. So same process. 4 divided by 3 pi. Pi the 4 into pi is 4 pi. Subtraction minus pi unit. So now tan inverse of tan, we have to follow this rule. 5 minus pi by 4. Tan inverse of tan 180 minus theta minus tan theta. Tan 180 minus theta. Second quadrant tan is negative. So we can write this as a tan inverse of tan of minus pi by 4. Why? Because tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. Now both is cancel. Minus pi by 4. It is belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Next, problem number 18. Tan of sin inverse of 3 pi by 5 plus cos inverse of 3 by 2. We have the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So I'll convert these two into tan inverse. So first I'll take this is a reference. Sin opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Pythagoras theorem use, this will become 4. Why? Because Pythagoras theorem you apply. You know that you apply. So now we can write tan inverse opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. 3 by 4 plus tan, part I am writing as a tan inverse of 1 by 3 by 2 reciprocal. So next step we can change tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 2 by 3. Tan inverse 2 by 3. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. Tan inverse 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 x plus y by 1 minus x by 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. Tan inverse take the LCM is 12, cross multiply 3 3s are 9 plus 4 2s are 8 divided by LCM again 12 minus 3 to the 6. Translation, tan inverse tan cancel, answer is 17 by 6. 17 by 6. Next problem number 19. Cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 is nothing but 180 by 6. This is 30 cancellation 210. 210 does not belong to range of cos inverse. Range of cos inverse it does not belong. Why? Because up to 180. So that's what the what we have to do is 6 divided by 75. Always negative values how to get. If you are writing 5, 6 pi, 5 plus 5. I need a negative, so that's why more number I am taking. 2 pi. So this is 12 pi. Now we'll get the minus 15, minus 5 pi. Subtraction. So now you make this way. Cos inverse cos 2 pi minus 5 pi by 6. Just to remember, this here negative number is calculated for that purpose only we made into 2. 6 into 2 is 12. Subtraction making minus 5 by 5. Cos inverse 2 pi minus 5 pi by 6. 2 pi minus 360 minus 360 minus is nothing but that is the fourth quadrant. Cos is positive. Cos 5 pi by 6. Cos inverse cos cancel 5 pi by 6 is the answer. Next step. This value how much will be? Question number 20. Sin inverse sin of 5 by 3. We have formula sin inverse of minus x is equal to minus sin inverse x. So I will make this one as a minus outside, minus into minus plus sin inverse of 1 by 2 that is equal to sin of 5 by 3 plus sin inverse of sin 5 by 6 is 1 by 2. Sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Sin inverse get cancel. Sin of 5 by 3 plus 5 by 6. Take the LCM. Sin of LCM is 6. 2 pi plus 5. Sin of 3 pi by 6. 3 1 the 3 2. Sin 90 is 1. Answer is 1. Next problem number 20. Tan inverse of root 3 minus cot inverse of minus root 3 equal to cot inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x. Formula is that tan inverse of minus root 3. Instead of this one, cot inverse of the place, we can write pi minus cot inverse of root 3. Just this formula. Substitution negative, but negative is there, that you remember. Tan inverse of root 3 minus 5 plus cot inverse of root 3. We have one more formula. Cot inverse x plus tan inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So yes, tan inverse x plus tan inverse cot inverse x. So pi by 2 we can write pi by 2 minus pi. Pi by 2, if we are taking LCM, pi minus 2 pi by 2, that is minus pi by 2.